Hi guys, my name is Lucia Ayala from Nairobi, Kenya, a student of IELTS at Testler, and Miss Shweta Vashishta as my teacher. And I am here to share my experience today. So first of all, my teacher was very friendly and warm. She always had a smile on her face, which helped us with the interactions in class. Secondly, she was always readily available to answer all our questions, whether it was during class hours or after class hours. And this went a long way in helping us in our practice. I got an overall score of 8.5. I got a 9 in listening, a 9 in reading, a 7.5 in writing, and a 7.5 in speaking. And I come from a country in which English is an official language, so it's a mandatory subject in our schools. But I still took this class because I needed to understand the format of the exam and what to expect during the exams, and the class did not disappoint at all. So to anyone out there who's having second doubts or questions on whether to take this class or not, here is your confirmation that you need to take this class because it's going to be super beneficial to you and your IELTS score at the end. Bye.